The much-anticipated iPhone 17 Pro is finally making waves, and leaks have revealed a slew of game-changing features that could redefine the smartphone experience. As Apple prepares for its 2025 release, enthusiasts and tech experts alike are buzzing about its rumored design, performance, and AI-driven software capabilities. TechVibe has gathered all the latest details to give you an in-depth look at what to expect. One of the most significant changes is the introduction of a completely new design language, departing from the previous vertical camera setup to a sleek horizontal array. The iPhone 17 Air, an ultralight variant, is also rumored to be in the works, catering to users who prefer a minimalist yet powerful device. But what really stands out in these leaks is the potential introduction of an Ultra model, replacing the Pro Max, which could bring an even higher level of innovation to Apple's lineup. Connectivity-wise, Apple is expected to push the boundaries with satellite-based emergency communication improvements, faster Wi-Fi 7 support, and the latest 6G compatibility for ultra-fast browsing and downloads. This, combined with Apple's proprietary UWB, ultra-wideband, advancements, will make device-to-device connectivity more seamless than ever. The inclusion of a USB-C port with Thunderbolt 4 speeds ensures that file transfers and charging capabilities reach unprecedented levels. The iPhone 17 Pro is also rumored to feature an under-display Face ID sensor, eliminating the need for a visible notch and maximizing screen real estate. Apple's continued focus on durability could mean that this device features a titanium alloy frame, ensuring strength without compromising weight. The pricing details remain speculative, but based on industry trends, the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to start at around $1,299, with the Ultra variant possibly crossing the $1,499 mark. When it comes to performance, Apple's A19 Bionic chip is expected to set a new benchmark in mobile processing power. Built on a cutting-edge 2nm architecture, this processor is said to deliver a 30% boost in efficiency and performance compared to its predecessor. This means improved gaming experiences, faster multitasking, and enhanced power efficiency that extends battery life. Combined with a next-gen neural engine, the AI capabilities of the iPhone 17 Pro are likely to be nothing short of revolutionary, powering real-time language translation, adaptive UI enhancements, and context-aware automation. The battery is rumored to be a 5,000 mAh powerhouse, with support for up to 50W wireless charging, ensuring that users spend less time tethered to a charger. Apple's continued investment in heat dissipation technologies could also mean the introduction of a vapor chamber cooling system, which would help maintain performance levels during intensive tasks like gaming and video rendering. On the camera front, the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to showcase a periscope zoom lens with up to 10x optical zoom, alongside a 48MP primary sensor with an advanced LiDAR scanner. The Ultra model might even introduce a groundbreaking 200MP sensor for professional-grade photography. Computational photography will be taken to the next level, with AI-driven enhancements improving low-light performance, portrait mode, and real-time object detection. Video recording capabilities are set to improve as well, with support for 8K ProRes video, improved stabilization, and expanded editing tools directly within the Photos app. For content creators, these upgrades could make the iPhone 17 Pro an indispensable tool. The front camera is also getting significant improvements, with reports hinting at an autofocus-enabled 32MP sensor, ensuring crisp and vibrant selfies and high-quality video calls. Software and AI integration are at the heart of the iPhone 17 Pro experience, with iOS 19 expected to introduce a host of groundbreaking features. Apple is rumored to be focusing heavily on AI-driven personalization, allowing the phone to adapt its UI based on user habits. Siri is expected to get a massive AI overhaul, becoming more conversational and capable of executing complex tasks like generating summaries, composing messages based on context, and even automating entire workflows. Security is another area of focus, with advanced AI-driven encryption and privacy tools ensuring user data remains protected. Another exciting leak suggests the introduction of on-device AI models that will power features like real-time image enhancement, instant text summarization, and smart calendar predictions. Apple's partnership with OpenAI or its own in-house AI research might bring GPT-like capabilities to iOS, enabling users to interact with their devices in a more natural and intuitive way. The App Store is also expected to integrate more AI-powered recommendations, offering personalized app suggestions based on user behavior. iOS 19 will further refine widgets, multitasking, and cross-device compatibility, making it easier than ever to switch between your Mac, iPad, and iPhone seamlessly. TechVibe will continue to bring you the latest updates on the iPhone 17 Pro as we get closer to the launch, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve with the most reliable insights in the tech world.